Hello guys, today we are at Hillside in Northwest Portland touring this remodel home 1911. Take a look at the road, pretty clean, quiet, walkable, and this property have an amazing views of the city of Portland. Before we're gonna go inside and check it out, this property has 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, a little bit above 3,200 square feet, listed for only 1.4 million. Guys, this remodel is crazy. Let's go inside now. Thank you guys for coming back for my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can continue and make you content like that. Let me know as well what would you like to see next so I can make you those videos, and let's go check it out. Also, this property has 3 balconies. One of them is at the main bedroom. We're gonna get there. So as you get in on the right, as you can see, is the dining area. Look at the ceiling, all the details, all the fixtures. Everything about this property is really done great. Pretty good and wide hallway as you get in. On the left side you have double closet, half bathroom for convenience while you have guests coming, easy access. As you can see, everything here is also really big open spaced, so it feels like one big room and it has everything. That's really nice. Look at that. And this kitchen is also very nice. You have kitchen island with waterfall countertops, which is a very expensive addition to do. High-end kitchen appliances, wine fridge, just beautiful. And also you have a sound system, as you can hear here and here. You have a sound system inside, so it's very cool and nice as well. That's the view. You see the city over there. Really nice. Let's go out to the balcony now, and then we're gonna check out the rest of the house. We're gonna go first upstairs, then we're gonna go downstairs. So as you can see, big sliding door. You can open it completely all the way back, so you're gonna have also a good breeze into the house. You have a fireplace. Over here is covered, so also while it will be a little bit raining, you can still sit and enjoy the outside here. Just need to put a sitting area. You have a fireplace also to be warmed up in the cold days around the Portland area. And look guys, it's like a big wide balcony. Like you can easily have here, I would say 15 to 20 people. Everybody have room. Really nice. And again, just check out your view. That is beautiful. And down here you have your garage. You have artificial grass for the downstairs. We're gonna go check that out as well. And the upstairs balcony. Let's go upstairs now. For you viewers that stick until now, thank you again. And make sure. So as I said, if you want to see this property in person and you want to schedule a private tour, I will leave you all my information in the description. You can reach out to me. Or if you want to see a different property, I would also love to show it to you. As you can see, main level where the bedrooms are, you have laundry room, really convenient, primary, Guys, look at that, how many daylight you get into the primary bedroom because all of it is windows. That's so cool. And you have your balcony, the nice accents on the wall. That is very nice. Let's go outside so we can take even a better look of the view. Guys, this is a nice cozy place to finish the day with a nice bottle of wine, some charcuterie, and just enjoy the day. This is the view from the right side. As you can see, a lot of greenery, you can hear the birds, nice and quiet. And here is the city. That is just beautiful. And you also have the same view from the bathtub in the primary. So that's also a big win as well. You have dual vanity. Again, cabinets and countertop is matching the kitchen downstairs, which is really cool. Freestanding tub. And again, those views, that's amazing. Walk-in shower, really beautiful and nice design. I really like the tile that they pick for this shower. It looks like woods. So that's really, really nice and cool. And the floors. And the walk-in closet. That's a big size closet. Lots of shelving, lots of place to hang your stuff. That's very nice. Guys, make sure also to tell me until now what was your favorite part of this house. And also if you have other areas you want to see houses, different city, different criteria, let me know in the comments. I will make sure to make those videos for you and show you that content as well. If you have any special house criteria that you want to see, let me know. So upstairs on the top floor is a big bonus area, bonus room. You can make it a playroom, you can do whatever, entertaining place, game room. You have those fan ceilings, that beam up there. Guys, this remodel is insane. They really thought about everything here. Completely remodeled. Big windows everywhere. Lots of city views. That's beautiful. And downstairs can be kind of like, I would say, maybe separate living space. Kind of if you have an older teenager that wants to have some more privacy or so. That can be a really nice fit for them. So as you go down here, over here you have the water heater and the furnace, full bathroom. You have a closet, linen closet. So you have 2 bedrooms downstairs. This one is a pretty small one, but it's a full bedroom. You can either make it an office or use it as a bedroom. Here another living room area, entertaining space, really big size. You have a deck here also. And another bedroom. That's amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe, click the like, and let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part and aspect in this property. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. One last peek.